Welcome to Nacrius Cloud Academy, a journey to pinnacle of success. In this video, I'll walk you through the IT industry. What exactly is IT industry? What are its functions? What is its hierarchical structure? So that you will get a fair idea about the industry which you have opted as your career. Coming back to the very first question, what is IT industry? An IT industry is nothing but a group of companies who are involved in similar primary business, that is, of providing IT services to end customers. What are IT services now? Information technology services means the design, development, application, implementation, support, and management of computer-based information systems, such as software development, integration and maintenance, network integration management and maintenance, hardware, information security, IT management consultants, mobile services, and web applications. Basically, all those services where computers and their use are involved. Now we know that an IT industry is a group of IT companies, for example, TCS, IBM, Dell, Infosys, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and so on. The core objective of any IT company is to serve people and to make their life easier by bringing innovation in the life using the services described above. These IT companies can be classified as product-based companies and service-based companies. Now let's understand each of them with few examples. Product-based companies are the companies that deal with the specific products. They work on these products and enhance them for better end-user experience by bringing in innovation and changes using various different softwares and technologies. A company can be categorized as product-based if the revenue it generates is from a specific product offerings. Examples of such companies are Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Facebook, and HP. On the other hand, service-based companies are those companies that provide services to clients with their amenities, skills, expertise, depending on the needs of the customer. You can say product-based companies are the clients of service-based companies. So these companies have to work according to the client's requirements to deliver services as per their need. Examples of these companies are TCS, Wipro, Infosys, Accenture, and Cognizant. Now that you know how companies are categorized, let's understand the hierarchical structure of the IT company. The explanation below is just to get you familiarized with the key roles that generally most of the companies have. There might be organizations following different structure which is aligned to their policies and key decision makers. So do not consider this as a standard across all companies. Having said that, let's discuss and understand below hierarchical structure with the roles and responsibilities of each individual. First in the ranking is the CEO, Chief Executive Officer. A CEO is a person in charge of the management and administrative direction of the organization. In most cases, a CEO is also the founder and drives the purpose, vision, and mission of the company. He is the decision maker and having the final say in directing the company's strategy. Next, we have CFO, who is the Chief Financial Officer. He is in charge of the economic and financial planning of the company. CFOs decide when and where to invest and assess the risk in order to increase the value of the company. Next is COO, a Chief Operating Officer. He is in charge of the administration and operations of the business. He is focused on aligning company's business plan according to the core business model built for that company. COOs often design operation strategies, communicate policies to their employees, and help in building core teams. Next we have CIO, who is a Chief Information Officer. A Chief Information Officer looks after the systems of the company that are related to information technology at a process level and from the point of view of planning. A CIO analyzes the benefits new technologies can offer, identify which ones are more interesting, and evaluates its operations. Next, we have CTO, who is Chief Technology Officer. Chief Technology Officer oversees the development and correct operation of information systems from the point of view of execution, generally responsible for the technical team and implementing new strategies to improve the final product. Difference between a CIO and a CTO is CIO is responsible for planning of the operations and CTO is responsible for execution of those plans. In smaller organizations, both roles are played by a single individual. Next is CSO, who is Chief Security Officer. Chief Security Officer is a person responsible for the company's physical and digital security. With the increasing number of cyber attacks, this role has become a more important one. His main role is to protect company's data and build security framework to safeguard the personal identifiable data of the customers. Thus, he will devise plans and contingencies to avoid cyber attacks. These roles are also known as C-level roles, and the jobs in these categories are called C-level jobs. In addition to the above-listed C-level roles, some companies might also have CMO, who is a Chief Marketing Officer, who is responsible for marketing activities including sales management, product development, advertising, market research, and customer service. They might also have a CPO, who is a Chief Procurement Officer, who is responsible for sourcing, supply chain management, and procurement for the company. He also has to ensure that the organization is adhering to the policies and procedures, that the expenses within the organizations are cost effective. Next in the hierarchy comes business unit heads. Bigger organizations have different business units depending on the geography or line of business like media, insurance, sales, and such. These people are responsible to manage entire business unit. Next down in the hierarchy are the managers, including roles such as delivery manager, program managers, project managers. Individuals in these roles are responsible for smooth project deliveries, facilitate required workforce for the project, and help to resolve all the blockers that might come during project delivery. Their job is to also ensure project timelines are met. Next in the line are the team leads. These individuals manage a team and reports to the manager with the status on deliverables. The team size that these individuals handle is not fixed. It normally depends on the kind of project they are handling. Now comes the actual people who are working on grounds to bring the company's vision to reality. They are the team members and probably is the role you will start with when you start your career. As you start gaining experience and prove yourself in every role that you are handling, the chances of rising up in the ladder becomes easier. In order to make this path full of excitement and rewarding, you need to start with the right role. You need to check where you are good at. If you are good at coding skills, start as a developer. If you are good at testing the product efficiently, start as a quality assurance engineer. If you are good at finding the security threats, start as a security engineer. If you are good at maintaining the data, start as a database administrator. Once you join the organization as a fresher, you will be aligned to the respective skill category based on your core strengths. This is a crucial point where you need to choose a right career path for yourself. With this, I conclude my video. Thank you for your time, and I hope I was able to deliver value for your time. If so, support me on this initiative to help people start their career the right way. Join hands with me in reaching out to as many people as possible who are looking for such information by subscribing to my channel. I will talk to you again in my next video. Until then, take care and keep spreading the joy of giving among people around you. This is Taslim, signing off for now.